Hello guys, this is Mahmoud from Steele Hyundai Halifax. Today I will be showing you the 2021 Hyundai Elantra. Stay tuned. This is the 2021 Hyundai Elantra Preferred with Tech package. Very beautiful angular design. It has really impressive features, performance, great overall value. Beautiful taillight shape. This Elantra is equipped with a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, producing 147 horsepower. It has a combined fuel consumption of 6.7 liter per 100 kilometer. The engine provides an excellent ride quality and just enough pep for normal city and highway driving. Very comfy, very easy to drive car, very easy to park. Moving to the interior now, keyless entry system. Very nice upscale interior. Elantra offers a very user-friendly infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, backup camera, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, 3 different drive modes. The Elantra comes standard with plenty of safety features such as automated emergency braking system with pedestrian detection system. It has also lane centering assist, lane keep assist, and optional adaptive cruise control. And of course, terrific fuel mileage, 6.8 liter per 100 kilometer. Very nice, comfy interior. Lots of space in the back. The Elantra has a very spacious trunk. You can actually fit 6 carry-on suitcases in the trunk. And of course you can fold down the seats for more space. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach to us at Steele Hyundai Halifax 902-454-1000. Thank you.